What's going on, everybody? Today we have the Microtech SOCOM Bravo in the house. Yes, sir. I've been excited for this knife. There you go. SOCOM Bravo TE Titanium. Bead blast standard. Pivot collar. Yes, sir. I've been excited for this one. I know a lot of people aren't excited because this is the SOCOM from China. So let's get to it. Typical Microtech packaging. There's your typical basic breakdown of the knife. Very nice, very nice. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Oof. Yeah. That's nice. I know a lot of guys are not excited about this, but I have been really excited about it. Rike Knives is the manufacturer, and they make a lot of good, high quality knives. Oh yeah, yeah, that's nice. Very, very nice. There's your Microtech logo, a little bit dirty. Nice four. Rike's logo on that side. So we have a frame lock instead of a liner lock, which is what a lot of people always wanted to kind of see instead of a liner lock. Everyone seems to hate liner locks, but yet they still tend to hate this one. This one is also tip up, which everyone wanted to see out of the SOCOM. Ooh, yeah, even reverse flick is nice. Very, very nice. That four, look at that. Nice bead blasted four. Can't really access the four. Nah, not really. You're right there. The only place you can access is right where the thumb stud is anyway, but yeah, that's very, very sharp looking. Feels beautiful in the hand. Even that pocket clip, that nice milk pocket clip, feels really good in the hand. You can really even choke up on it. Typical. I wish I had my original SOCOM Elite to put up against it, but I don't. Lost that one in my marriage, ex-marriage, divorce, if you will. So it's been nice to. I've been trying to get a SOCOM Elite for a while, and with everything going on in the world, it's been almost impossible. So this was the next best option. But look at that. You know, that is just absolutely the action's gonna break in really good. You can tell. Nice Tanto. Not super aggressive. I typically like a little more aggressive Tanto, but that is very, very nice. Yeah, it just feels great. It feels really good in the hand. It really does. Nice contouring of the handle. And that hardware too. That's bigger hardware too. Let's see what that hardware is here real quick. So that is a T7. Which one is this? That's a T9. Where? T8. Let's see. Yep, T8. That's nice. Nice to see a good upgrade in the hardware instead of a T6. M390 blade steel. That's a great blade steel. Typical blade stop that we see on SOCOMs. Just very, very nice. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this knife so far. We'll see how it breaks in. But I'm telling you, that's very, very sharp. Everything feels good about the knife. Feels nice, a nice size. The action and deployment is just absolutely beautiful. Get that right on any grip you really want. It just the contouring feels really good in the hand. There's your lockup. Centering is spot on. No movement at all in that blade. That is just totally secured perfectly. So yeah, that's very nice. 12, 20, 21. So yeah, very nice. Serial number 165. So yeah, pretty early in the run. So that's nice. Very, very impressed. Well, there you guys go. That is the new SOCOM Bravo. We will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day. Bye.